Can you solve for x in this nice Olympiad maths expression? 9 to the power or square root of x equal to the square root of 27x. As we solve, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified maths content. Now let's solve using some laws of indices. From these laws, we can see that 9 and 27 have a common base, and that can be 3. So we are going to simplify that. So this is going to give us 3 to the power of 2, right? And that is 9 all to the power of square root of x. And this will be equal to, I'm going to isolate the square root here, and this will give me 27x multiplied by 1 divided by 2. Great. Now from this expression, I want to recall one given law of indices, that if I have a to the power of x multiplying y, this can simply be equal to a to the power of xy, right? So I can apply that here to give me 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by the square root of x, and this will be equal to 27 to the power of what? Of x multiplied by a half. Great. In the next step, I'm going to simply simplify or factor out 27. Now, if I factor out 27, I'll have 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by the square root of x equal to 3 to the power of 3, right? And that will multiply x divided by 2. Good. Now, from that expression, I now have a common base, and that common base is 3. So I have 3 to the power of square root of x. So 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by the square root of x equal to 3 to the power of 3x divided by 2. Now, at this point, you can recall a given law of indices. If I have a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, because we simply have same basis, x will be equal to y, right? So from that expression, we're going to have 2 multiplied by the square root of x to be equal to 3x divided by 2. So this can be simplified further to give us our solution. To simplify this further, we can multiply both sides by 2. We'll multiply both sides by 2. We'll have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the square root of x equal to 3x divided by 2 multiplied by 2. That way, we can clear the fraction. And this is going to give us 4 multiplied by the square root of x equal to 3x. So what do we do from here? In the next step, we are going to simplify. And our next point is to clear the square root. We'll take the square of both sides. So we'll have 4 multiplied by the square root of x all squared to clear the square root equal to 3x all squared. So if we do this, we are going to have this expression to give us 4 square multiplied by the square root of x all squared, and this will be equal to 3 squared multiplied by x squared. From this expression, this is going to give me 16 multiplied by square, cancel out square root, and we'll be left with x, and this will be equal to 3 square is going to give us 9 multiplied by x squared. So we'll have 16x equal to 9x squared. This is more of an equation If we simplify this, we are going to have a 9x squared. Subtracting 16 from both sides, 9x squared will be equal to 0. From this expression, we can see that quadratic expression, we can see that we have what? X common. We'll bring out x, we'll have left here 9x minus 16, and all of these will be equal to 0. So from this expression, we'll see that our x is equal to 0, and we'll also have our 9x minus 16 to be equal to 0. So what do we have? We're going to have the value of our 9x to be equal to 16. With this, dividing both sides by x or 9, the value of our x will be shown. And from that expression, we can see that the value of our x, why 9 cancel out 9, the value of our x will be equal to 16 divided by 9. So the first x is equal to x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 16 divided by 9. And that is the solution to that mathematical expression given to us up there. Now we can simply check to find out if our solution is right. We have 9 to the power of square root of x equal to 20 square root of 27 to the power of x. If we are given that expression and we are asked to find the value of x, we have 9 to the power of the square root of x equal to square root of 27 to the power of x. With our x equal to 0, let's check if x equal to 0 is a solution. With x equal to 0, we'll have 9 to the power of square root of 0 equal to the square root of 27 to the power of 0. Square root of 0 is what? 0. So we're going to have 9 to the power of 0 equal to, this is going to give us what? Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we'll have square root of 1. And square root of 1 is equal to 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1 shows that x equal to 0 is a solution. On the other hand, if we have the value of our x equal to 16 divided by 9, and we insert it into the expression, we're going to have 9 to the power of the square root of 16 divided by 9 equal to the square root of 27 to the power of 16 divided by 9, right? So let's simplify this. If we simplify this, we are going to have this expression to give us 3 to the power of 2 multiplying square root of 16 is 4 divided by 3, right? That is going to give me equal to, this other one is going to give me 27 to the power of half multiplying 16 divided by 9, right? So if we simplify that, we are going to get a given solution. Let's simplify that. This is going to give me 3 to the power of 8 divided by 3, right? And this will be equal to 3 to the power of 3, right? Multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 16 divided by 9. 3 over here, 3 here will give me 1. 3 over here will give me 3, right? 2 divided by 2 will give me 1. 16 divided by 2 will give me 8. So what do I have remaining there? I'm going to have that expression to now give me 3 to the power of 8 divided by 3 equal to 3 to the power of 8 times 1 will give us 8 divided by 3. So this is equal to this, shows that the value of x equal to 16 divided by 9 is also a solution that satisfies that expression given to us up there. So you see, very easy. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.